All right, guys, hey, we've been talking a lot about workshops. You're like, what are these workshops? We're doing a whole year workshops, and it's based on helping people lose weight because at this time of year, everybody's like, I want to lose some weight. But we got to set the foundation to how you get to weight loss and give you the tools for the rest of your life, not just a flash in the pan as far as this diet or this exercise, whatever that might be. So let's break it down into 4 quarters. Quarter 1 is all about the gut. If you are not digesting your food very well, you are not getting the nutrients out of the food and your supplements you're taking in order to detox yourself, which is, we'll get to that in quarter 2, but when you're stressed, you pull blood out of your digestive system and put it in your muscles because you have to fight for your life or run, get your butt out of town. When we're going to focus on chronic stress, you're going to focus on how is your gut being thrown off? How does it suppress your hydrochloric acid? How is it limiting your bile acids? How is it messing up your sleep, which then trashes everything? There's the anxiety gut loop, which you're going to be talking about. These are really fundamentals to understand the root cause of how stress affects your digestion. So let's get into quarter 2, which is detoxification. If you can't get the toxins in your body out of your body's going to have to keep stuffing them in fat cells. If we're not cleaning it out, we're not draining, we're not getting your body fresh and ready for building up muscle tissue and being healthy, you're never going to be able to lose weight over the long term because you're just going to keep swelling your fat cells because they got to stick the toxins somewhere. So we're going to focus on liver and gallbladder. We're going to focus on kidney detoxification, all the stuff that you need. You're going to sweat it out. We're going to breathe it out, get all this stuff out of your body. Understand that we are going to clean, we're going to drain, we're going to reset your system in quarter 2. All right, let's get on to quarter number 3. We're going to talk about hormones. And this is where everybody wants to put their attention because it's like they have their perimenopausal stuff going on, their sleep's all jacked up, they got no mood, they got no sex drive, things like that. And this is third on the tier. So we're getting into hormones now. So we're talking about what's your birth control doing to your hormones? How is that affecting your metabolism? Is your thyroid functioning? Are your sex reproductive hormones actually working? Can I get pregnant? All the stuff that people have to have in working order, in good working order, before they even start considering weight loss. Because if you can't prioritize your stress and actually heal and work through it, you're never going to get to the point where you're losing weight. We want you to understand what's the function of them, but how do they apply to your real life? So that's all about quarter 3. Now let's get into quarter 4. All things blood sugar, metabolic flexibility, how to move your body in order to achieve the weight loss you're desiring. So if you don't know how to exercise, we're going to give you some pointers, some basic fundamental understandings of what you need to prioritize as far as your exercise to lose weight and also what to avoid because there are things to avoid out there. We're going to give you the foundational footwork and the steps to get there. So if you want to understand how to sustain weight loss and how to lose it in the first place but keep it off, then this is what you want to tune in for. Q4 is going to be your key to weight loss. And we're going to wrap it all up with a nice little bow. So guys, here's how it's going to work. If you get one workshop at a time, it's $25 a piece. And if you subscribe for the whole year, you can save 60%. So if you drop $120 for the entire year, you can save 60%. Buy one, 25 at a time. We don't have a mechanism to reimburse you for the one if you buy the whole thing, but you can wait till December and realize, oh my gosh, I want them all. And guess what? You can drop $120 and get the whole thing. So 25 a piece or 120 for the whole year. I would encourage you just go all in, take the Nestea plunge and jump in, get them all, okay? If you have questions, if you're like, I don't know if this is right for me, I don't know if I want this, send us a DM, comment below, give us a call, 651-738-7800. You can send us a fax if you're a boomer, all right? 651-738-9501. Come in the clinic and say hi. We'll talk to you all about it, all right? We look forward to seeing you on January 20th for the first one, if not in the clinic, or give us a call or send us a text, all right? You guys have a great day.